Garahistas, matanong ko lang, no, since you guys have made it this far, do you have any strategies or specific plans for the next level?
I don't know if we can still cut off some weight out of the car, but we're just gonna do whatever we can with the time that's gonna be given.
So we haven't gone all out sa first build namin, and we're planning to do more things dun sa car namin. Especially sa lightning kasi hindi pa kami nag-all out eh. At sa makina, meron din kaming gagawin na surprise na lang for build number 2.
Siguro drive fast. And siguro suspension na lang, tuning, upgrade. So siguro yun na lang pwede namin malagyan.
We kind of maxed out everything we could the first time around. So I think we'll focus more on driving harder and just being more focused.
Since it's a bigger challenge, our preparation will be more on the internal aspect. We'll be doing more visualization of the track since it's a new track for my co-driver. And also we'll be focusing on the safety.
Kamusta mga Garahistas? Are you guys ready for another episode of Cars, and More Cars?
The past week showed us how brilliant minds and speed freaks at heart transform their everyday cars to actual racing machines.
That's right, and we also saw them drag and slalom race.
And some emotions and actions not for the faint of heart.
Milo, you know what? Today is Judgment Day.
Those remaining teams will have the opportunity to prove themselves as the first Garahista champion.
Who will advance to the next round?
At sino naman ang matatanggal? So Garahistas, are you ready? I'm Milo Rivera.
And I'm Joy Spring, and this is
Garahista. Thank you so much for sharing your insights, your plans and strategies. I'm sure all of us are excited here for what's to come. However,
Dun 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 dun.
for the second round of competition, we shall be using those cars.
We're gonna get to drive a new car!
That's right, Garahistas. We're taking it one notch up as we give you new cars to drive with. We had a lot of issues coming from different teams talking about, mas malakas yung ganitong team or mas mahina because of the cars that they're using. So now, you guys will be using the same cars.
We're so surprised na ang gagamitin pa na namin sa second half is new set of cars. So, equal yung playing field kasi nga dati kami pinakaluma tapos merong mga kasama na mas malalakas yung mga auto.
Kasi nangyari, yung unang rounds, kasi parang iba-ibang kotse, and then yung ibang kotse, tulad nga yung kila Mark Bernardo, naka-lightning, sobrang gaan. So parang kahit anong gawin namin, hindi rin namin advantage talaga sa kanila. So buti ngayon, medyo less yung time, konti. Ewan ko lang kung gagawin pa rin nila yung mga lightning. So sana hindi na lang para makabal ako. Para one make race talaga. Para pare-pareho. So sana mas okay talaga yung ngayon na pare-pareho.
Ang problema lang daw sa amin din, panibagong trabaho ulit na ginawa na namin, parang back to zero. Ayun yun. Pero okay lang.
Nagulat talaga ako, saka natuwa ako kasi ang nangyari is parang naka-mind setup na kami para sa dating race car namin. Tapos biglang papasok yung bagong unit na mas underdog siya para sa racing. Kaya nakakatuwa na nakakagulat na hindi mo ma-explain. Masaya talaga.
Kasi ang totoo, yung isa naming kasama si John, nakapag-set up ng ganung klase mismo na as in mga 1.6 kinakabahan talaga pag nakakasalubong yung kotse mo.